Motorola this week launched the much-awaited Moto X4, which would be competing against the likes of Honor 9 Pro, OnePlus 3T, and some others. The Moto X4 is priced at 20,999 rupees for the 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage variant. You pay 22,999 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant. The company is offering additional 2,500 exchange bonus for all buyers planning to exchange their old devices. There are cashback and other data offers as well. And the X4 is Flipkart exclusive. The Moto X4 features Corning Gorilla Glass on the back, which also tends to change colors when viewed from different angles. The device uses aluminum frame for extra sturdiness of the device. The back panel also features a big camera hump that features the dual camera setup. So, you get one 12-megapixel camera module with dual autofocus and another 8-megapixel with 120-degree wide-angle lens. The camera comes with intelligent camera feature based on AI. The camera can detect objects to provide contextual results, similar to what Google launched with the Google Lens on Pixel 2. The camera also gets features like panorama in selfies, selective focus for the bokeh effect, and the device also gets a spot color feature which lets the user select a single color to pop in a particular image. X4 is powered by Snapdragon 630 chipset, which is clocked at 2.2 GHz. The chipset is supported by Adreno 502 GPU. There is 3000 mAh battery that also supports turbocharge. And yes, Moto X4, like we said, is waterproof.